place the figure in coordinate plane in convenient way and assign coordinates to each vertex. We have now scalene triangle and one side length is u. We know that scalene triangle has no congruent sides. So let's draw first xy plane, y-axis and x-axis. Because it's easy to find the length of horizontal and vertical segments and distances from origin from point 0, 0, we will place one vertex at the origin and we have that one side length is u. So let's put that here will be our u. So this point has coordinates u, 0. First coordinate is u and the second on the x-axis. Every point has the second coordinate 0. So we have second. Now we have to find the third point because the triangle has 3 vertices. So let's put that here will be, because we have scalene triangles, so we don't have congruent sides. So we can put, for example, here the third point, and this point will have coordinates. Let's put, for example, KL. So we see that for scalene triangle we need to use 3 different variables. We have one u and I use k and l. So this is my solution.